What's up? Welcome to In the Kitchen with Trew. Today we are making a family favorite hamburger helper, but not from the box. This is all homemade, so you'll want to stick around and see how we make this and enjoy. All right, first thing you want to do is take 1 pound of ground beef. Like 90% works, but that's what I have today, so it's gonna work. This is 80%, so we're gonna have to drain some of the fat, but that'll be okay. And we're just gonna toss that in the pan. And then we're gonna heat that up and ground it until it's nice and brown, and we'll be right back. All right, so while that's working, we're gonna grate some cheese. Don't buy the pre-shredded stuff. This works a lot better, and I think you'll be a lot happier with the result. So we'll do that, and we will be right back. All right, we browned our meat, we drained it. So now we're just gonna add the rest of the ingredients. 1 cup of cold water and 2 cups of milk. All right, add that in. Then we got the rest of our dry seasonings, which is going to be, gonna add that. There we go. And we actually forgot my parsley, so I'm going to add that in right now. There we go. Parsley's added, and we're going to bring it to a boil and then let it cook for like 9 minutes. 9-10 minutes. Check at 9 minutes. Oh, actually, we need to add the pasta. We would be severely mistaken without adding pasta. It would just be cheese water, right? So I've got 1 pound of macaroni here, and usually I use about, I think it comes out to be 3 cups, but let me just double check here for you. There's half a cup. I guess we're gonna have to use half cup. Alright. Oh, that's like, there's 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Yeah, about 3 cups. There we go. And we'll combine all that, and we'll let that come up to a boil, and for about 9-10 minutes, and then we'll add the cheese. See you then. All right, one thing I forgot to add is once you get this to like a simmer, go and turn down the heat, because you don't want this to boil per se. You just want to cook. So maybe like 5 or 6 on your stove, and that'll be just fine. Cool. See you in about 9 minutes. All right, we are back. All right, so it's been about 9 minutes, so our pasta's done. Gonna turn off the heat. And right here I got some cheese. We're going to add that. Let me bring it down to the camera. There you go. We'll try to get it mostly in the pan here. And there we go. Cheese in. All right. Okay, I might have stole that one from Gordon Ramsay, but nevertheless, okay. Put this in the there. We're gonna wash that, and now we're just gonna mix this in. Turn off the timer. There we go. All right, so once the cheese melts, you can let this thicken for about maybe 2-3 minutes, and then you are all set. But I like oregano so much, I may add a little bit more oregano. So you might start calling me the oregano king, because I add more oregano to everything. So trust me, you cannot go wrong with more oregano. All right, just gonna keep mixing it. Make sure you mix the whole pan. You don't want the bottom to have no cheese. So we'll just keep mixing that. Cool, well that's pretty much it. And that's gonna be pretty delicious. So much better than the box. All right, until next time, we'll see you in the kitchen.